Hey guys, it's time to do a full review of the Samsung Galaxy J6 2018, and it is a new phone from Samsung and it is called as Samsung Galaxy J6. And in this video I am talking about everything: build quality, software, the camera, and let's talk about the build quality. And it is not metal, and you can see it is a solid plastic, and you can see it looks very beautiful in this lavender color. It is not metal, I have to say. And the fingerprint scanner on the back right below the camera, and LED flash is also on the right, and the volume up and volume down on the left with separate. You can use two SIM card and one micro SD card at the same time, so don't worry. And it is on the right with speaker and 8 megapixel camera on the front with LED flash as well, f1.9 aperture, and notification LED is not here in this phone. And this phone is also giving you a two features. First, we have the fingerprint scanner as well as a facial scanner. So let's show you the speed, and you can see it is fast. Here we go, and you can see you can put the finger on the sensor and it is unlocked very fast. Let's show you the facial recognition feature speed. Here we go, and you can see it is also work fast, and you can see. And let's show you the display quality, and this is a Super AMOLED 720p display, and you can see it is very quite bright display, and you can see it is a Super AMOLED display. The Super AMOLED display, it is the best display on a smartphone in my opinion, and you can see it looks very beautiful. And you can see, and it is a 5.6 inch 720p Super AMOLED Infinity display, 18:5:9 aspect ratio. You can use phone very comfortably, and this phone comes with, let's talk about the battery life. And this phone comes with 3000 mAh per cell, and it is not support a fast charging so don't worry for this thing. And overall I have to say the battery life is giving you a 1 day. You can use 2 hours use YouTube and 1 hour use play games and 1 hour use camera. This phone is giving you a 1 day battery life easily. So let's talk about the software, and it is Android 8.0 Oreo, and you can see it is a Android 8.0 Oreo. And this phone is also receive Android 9.0p, and you can see Samsung Experience 9.0 UI. It is giving you all the features like the S8 or some features is missing, like the always on display, and another that it is giving you a blue light filter, secure folder. New feature is included that is called Dolby Atmos phone. It is work with headphones, not speaker. And let's go to the advanced features. This one is also giving you a dual messenger use, two separate account from the same application like the Facebook, WhatsApp, and Messenger as well, like the Twitter, Skype, etc. And it is a Experience 9.0 UI. It is the same UI as the S8 or the A8 series, and you can see swipe up to go to your app drawer. You can also change the app drawer. You can go to this and home screen layout, home screen only, apply it, and you can see it is a simple UI. You cannot swipe to up, and you can see, but I don't like this. I like this home screen and home and app screens as well. So you can also hide the application. You go to hide application, you can see it is hide this camera. You can see I click and apply it, and the camera is gone, and you can see camera is not here. And this phone is also giving you some feature like quick open notification panel, and you can see it is swipe down, and you can see notification is also there. And it is also giving you a finger sensor gesture. You can swipe down and you can see notification panel is also comes up, and that's about it. And let's talk about the internals, and this is a Samsung Exynos 7870 processor with 3 gigs of RAM. It is giving you a 4 or 5 application you can use at the same time without any problem. I also done the gaming review of the J6, you can check that out on my channel. And this one is also giving you a very smooth performance and no lag whatsoever. And you can see I play a Marvel feature files, and you can see it looks very smooth in this phone. And this one comes with Exynos 7870 processor with no lag whatsoever in the games. And you can see I play a Marvel feature files. It is so heavy games from the performance and the graphics things. So let's talk about the camera, and it is comes with 13 megapixel back camera with f1.9 aperture, and it is so nice. And you can see, and 13 megapixel back camera, and it is a Samsung typical UI, same as the S9 or the another upcoming phones. And you can see you can swipe to change your different modes, and it is also showing some effects. And this phone also record up to 1080p, not 4K thing as well. And 8 megapixel on the back, so and 8 megapixel camera on the front looks very decent for decent photos. And 13 megapixel back camera, and I go to a low light, and the autofocus things is on this camera is not worked, and it is some issues in the cameras because I don't know what is happening. And let's talk about the display, and you can see it is a infinity display, 18:5:9 aspect ratio. It has a big chin is on the down and the up as well, and it is a very good display. It is the best display on a smartphone in my opinion. So thank you so much for watching this full review of the Samsung Galaxy J6, and I gotta say it is a very good phone for this price range. And another companies is giving you a dual cameras as well as a or Y7 Prime 2018. And let me know in the comment section below, and I catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.